The best induction stove does more than just heating up your food vertical screen display, offering faster, more precise cooking with less energy use in cooler kitchens. Unlike traditional stoves, they heat pots directly through magnetic fields, meaning water boils in seconds, not minutes, and temperature control is instant. Plus, the surface stays cool to the touch, reducing burn risks and making cleanup a breeze. After extensive research, we are delighted to share with you our list of the top 5 best induction cooktops. Since different people have different needs, make sure to stay till the end to figure out which induction cooktops best match your needs. For more information on any of the induction stoves listed in this video, please check the links in the description box down below, which are updated daily for the best prices, deals, and discounts. Bosch 800 Series Net 8660 UC Best High-End. This is product number 5 on my list. The Bosch 800 Series Net 8660 UC stands out as the best high-end option, a testament to its superior design, functionality, and user experience. Imagine having a cooktop that not only enhances the look of your kitchen, but also transforms how you cook. The Bosch 800 series is exactly that, combining sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. First off, the precision of temperature control is unparalleled. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing steak, the Net 8660 UC offers consistent heat distribution, ensuring your dishes turn out just the way you want them. With its power boost feature, water boils in record time, significantly cutting down on your cooking prep. The cooktop's spacious layout accommodates multiple pots and pans easily, making it perfect for those who love to cook or entertain. The touch controls are intuitive, allowing for easy adjustments without the fuss of knobs or buttons. Plus, the cooktop's safety features, such as the child lock and pan recognition, provide peace of mind, especially in households with little ones. However, no product is without its cons. Some users have noted a steep learning curve with the touch controls, and the high-end price tag may not fit everyone's budget. Additionally, the sleek surface, while easy to clean, can be prone to scratches if not properly cared for. Duxtop 9600 LS Best Portable. This is product number 4 on my list. The Duxtop 9600 LS Portable Induction Cooktop is a standout for its portability and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those who value convenience and efficiency in their cooking appliances. The Duxtop 9600 LS shines with its 1800 watts of power and a broad range of 20 power settings, allowing for precise control over cooking temperatures. This feature is particularly beneficial for tasks that require specific heat levels, from simmering delicate sauces to boiling water quickly. Its portability means you can take it anywhere there's an electrical outlet, from dorm rooms to outdoor gatherings, making it incredibly versatile. One of its most praised features is the touch-sensitive control panel, which is intuitive and easy to use, offering a modern touch to your cooking experience. The built-in timer, which can be set up to 10 hours, is a convenient addition for those who appreciate the ability to set and forget their cooking tasks. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that the fan can be somewhat loud, and like all induction cooktops, it requires cookware that is magnetic to function. Additionally, the temperature sensor, being located beneath the ceramic surface, may introduce a slight delay in temperature adjustments, which could require a period of acclimatization for new users. Overall, the Duxtop 9600 LS is a fantastic choice for those looking for a portable, efficient, and versatile cooking solution. Its range of power settings and ease of use make it suitable for a wide variety of cooking tasks, from everyday meals to more complex dishes. 3. Samsung NZ30K7880 US Best for Smart Homes. This is product number 3 on my list. The Samsung NZ30K7880 US Induction Cooktop is a marvel of modern kitchen technology, blending sleek design with cutting-edge features to cater to the smart home enthusiast. Imagine controlling your cooktop from anywhere in your home using your smartphone. That's the convenience offered by its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and adjust cooking settings even when you're not in the kitchen. The cooktop's Flex Zone is a game changer, providing a large, flexible cooking area that accommodates pots and pans of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're cooking a large casserole or small saucepans, the cooktop adapts to your needs. The virtual flame technology is another highlight, offering the visual of gas cooking with LED lights that simulate real flames, giving you the best of both worlds: the efficiency of induction cooking with the traditional feel of gas. With a power boost feature, water boils faster than ever, significantly cutting down cooking time. The digital analog controls offer the flexibility of using a removable magnetic knob or digital touch controls, enhancing the user experience by catering to personal preferences. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported challenges with the touch controls, especially when spills occur, which can inadvertently change settings or turn off the cooktop. Additionally, the high-tech features come with a learning curve, and the premium price tag may not fit every budget. Nuwave Gold Precision most affordable. This is product number 2 on my list. The Nuwave Gold Precision stands out as the most affordable option, offering a blend of efficiency, convenience, and precision at a price point that's hard to beat. Imagine having a cooktop that not only fits your budget but also brings high-tech cooking to your kitchen or any place you choose to cook. The Nuwave Gold Precision is celebrated for its precise temperature control, allowing you to adjust the cooking temperature in 10-deg increments, ranging from 100 deg Fahrenheit to 575 deg Fahrenheit. This level of control is perfect for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. Its portability is a game changer, making it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even outdoor events where electricity is available. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported that the unit defaults to the highest wattage setting upon plugging in, requiring manual adjustment each time for lower settings. Additionally, the two-prong plug, while seemingly convenient, has raised concerns over susceptibility to power surges, potentially shortening the device's lifespan. There's also feedback on the challenge of achieving a perfect sauté for vegetables, indicating a possible limitation in temperature distribution. Despite these cons, the Nuwave Gold Precision's benefits, such as its easy-to-clean surface, energy efficiency, and the safety features that prevent it from operating without compatible cookware, make it a compelling choice for those new to induction cooking or looking for an affordable, versatile cooking solution. GE Profile PHP9036 Best Overall. This is product number 1 on my list. The GE Profile PHP9036 is hailed as the best overall for its blend of innovative features, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Imagine a cooktop that not only meets all your cooking needs but exceeds them with its smart technology and precision. The GE Profile PHP9036 features pan-present sensors that only heat the area needed, turning off when no pan is present, ensuring energy efficiency and safety. Its rapid, precise heating is made possible by 5 induction elements, including an 1137 00-watt power burner that significantly cuts down cooking time. The cooktop's ability to combine 2 7 elements for larger cookware adds to its versatility. Digital touch controls offer accurate heat distribution on an easy-to-clean surface, and the red LED display adds a sleek, stylish look to your kitchen. The control lock feature prevents accidental activation, adding an extra layer of safety. A convenient kitchen timer and hot surface indicator lights further enhance the user experience, making cooking more organized and safer. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported challenges with the visibility of the controls under certain lighting conditions, making them difficult to see. Additionally, the touch controls can be accidentally activated or deactivated by pets, a concern for some households. Despite these minor issues, the GE Profile PHP9036's performance, safety features, and sleek design make it a top choice for those seeking a high-quality induction cooktop. Its precision temperature control and guided cooking capabilities, when connected to a smart pan and app, offer a cooking experience that's both advanced and intuitive. So, which of these induction cooktops do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which cooktop to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.